Oh, good girl. Rolling over both sides. Yay. Can you roll over the other way? Show us how you, show us how you roll over this way. Yeah, kick that leg over. Good girl.